Hey beauty lovers! I'm so excited to be back with another review, and today we're diving into a product that promises long-lasting, vibrant eye looks that won't budge. Meet the KIKO Milano Long-Lasting Color Eye Set in shade 01. Timeless Notes. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for eyeshadow that stays put no matter what, whether you're at work, out with friends, or dancing the night away, this might just be your new best friend. KIKO Milano, known for its high-performance products at an accessible price, brings us this trio of eyeshadow sticks. With a formula designed for a metallic finish and up to 24 hours of hold, these sticks promise no transfer and a complete eye look. Sounds pretty impressive, right? But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The set includes 3 eyeshadow sticks in gorgeous metallic shades. Each stick is designed to glide smoothly across your eyelids, delivering bold, vibrant color without the need for primer or additional layers. They're perfect for anyone who loves a quick, no-fuss makeup routine that still packs a punch in terms of color payoff and longevity. The product is also formulated to resist smudging, making it ideal for long days or nights out. I've been testing these sticks for a few weeks now, and here's what I found. First, application is a breeze. The creamy texture slides on effortlessly, and you can blend the color out with your fingers or a brush if you prefer a softer finish. For those who want a more intense look, the metallic pigment builds up nicely without feeling cakey. I personally loved how easy they were to work with on days when I was in a rush but still wanted my makeup to look polished. In terms of wear, these sticks definitely live up to their long-lasting claim. I tested them on a busy workday, and after hours of meetings, I was pleased to find my eye makeup still intact. I even wore them through a sweaty workout, and there was minimal creasing with no transfer onto my lids. This is a huge plus for anyone with oily eyelids or anyone who needs their makeup to last. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is truly long-lasting and smudge-proof. The metallic finish adds a gorgeous touch of shimmer that's not too overpowering, perfect for day or night wear. Plus, they're so quick to apply, making them an excellent choice for busy mornings or travel. On the flip side, I did find that these sticks can be a little stiff initially, especially if you're trying to build up a more intense color. You might need to press a little harder to get the full pigment out, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. Another thing to consider is that if you have dry eyelids, you might want to apply a hydrating primer first. The formula is a bit drier compared to liquid shadows, so it's something to keep in mind. As for value for money, these eyeshadow sticks are priced fairly, considering their performance and the fact that you get 3 shades in one set. Given that a single stick typically lasts a long time, you're definitely getting your money's worth. When comparing these to other long-wear eyeshadow sticks on the market, I'd say KIKO Milano holds its own. While some higher-end brands might offer a slightly smoother formula, they come at a much higher price point. So if you're looking for high-quality, long-lasting shadows on a budget, this set is a great option. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and simple, with a twist-up design for easy application. The sticks themselves feel sturdy, and I didn't have any issues with them breaking or cracking during use. The product also has a good shelf life, which is always a bonus. Now, I haven't had any experience with KIKO Milano's customer service personally, but from what I've gathered, they're known for being fairly responsive and helpful. Their reputation in terms of customer care is solid, which gives you peace of mind in case you need assistance. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something on the more affordable side, I'd recommend checking out other drugstore brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal. Their shadow sticks offer similar staying power and pigmentation, though KIKO's metallic finishes have a bit of an edge when it comes to shimmer. On the high-end side, Urban Decay and NARS offer great alternatives, but they come at a much steeper price. To wrap it up, the KIKO Milano Long-Lasting Color Eye Set is a solid choice for anyone looking for vibrant, long-wearing eyeshadows in a convenient stick form. It's easy to use, performs well throughout the day, and is great for anyone who values both practicality and performance. While there are a few minor cons, like the initial stiffness and the need for a good primer for dry eyelids, the pros definitely outweigh the cons, especially considering the price point. So, would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you're someone who's always on the go but still loves to rock bold eyeshadow looks, these sticks are a great addition to your makeup collection. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. I always love hearing from you guys. And as always, if this review was helpful, please like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you can keep up with all the honest beauty reviews coming your way. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.